Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Let's discuss today about the current situation in Afghanistan. Actually, this is Faridullah Shinwari from Afghanistan. You know all people that situation daily become worst in Afghanistan whenever Taliban govern all the country. And let pray to be save all the people. So I'll discuss some points which people are suffering from that points in Afghanistan in nowadays. जो सबसे पहले थे, it is the situation of those people who were working in the with American people, Canadians or national forces. You may know, dear friends, that during this time in Hamid Karzai International Airport, many people crowd there in order to save themselves and leave Afghanistan, go to foreign countries. Actually, America announced that we will accept those people who are working with us or working with national forces. Beside that, Canada as well announced that we will accept 20,000 immigrants to Canada, those who were working with national forces or Canadian forces or who were working in social medias or those people who were in militaries. But by uploading these news, many more people came to international airport to rescue themselves. Actually, situation is right now a little bit good. Taliban behaves good than the last period. But people moreover afraid from their life, and they as well try their best to leave the country and go outside. So this was the best opportunities for those people who were in foreign countries. You know that many more people immigrants to European countries and they have different cases. But right now they are too glad that they invite their family members, families, and family members like brother, sister, or wife, someone else. This is the good news for Afghani people. One more thing, dear friends, is that many more people who had different cases in European country, but by the government side they got negatives. So I mean, whenever they got interview, they got negatives, not positives. I mean, they asked several times to the embassy of that own countries to interview, but during the interview they ask many questions from them and they may reject it as soon as possible. But right now those governments announce once again that those people should remain there and we will not get out themselves. These are the advantage of this period or advantage of these crises. But unfortunately, many more people suffering from idleness, jobless like that. Dear friends, you know right now that if you want to do job, so you have to, for example, they have to pay less money, not more much money. That much money you couldn't fulfill your daily routine. For example, if you want to be a teacher, they'll give you just 3,000 Afghanis. So these 3,000 Afghanis, they couldn't fulfill their daily needs. And one much more important things that during this period and during the Taliban came to Afghanistan, people are suffering is that prices of everything increased. For example, if we buy फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम लोग एक बोझी आटा परचेज कर दिया, पहले उससे रेट था 15,000, 1,500, 1,200 लाइक दैट, मगर अभी कितना है? अभी उसका प्राइस 2,000 है, और मैक्सिमम वी कैन सेट इट इज 2,100 रुपीज or 2,200 Afghanis like that. So these are the negative points of this time. As well as right now, more much people afraid of themselves. Likewise, they try their best to go foreign countries. They tries their best. Whenever Taliban came, many more people they escapes from their hometowns and they went to capital Kabul. But now Kabul, it was also on the time a little bit safe. But now Kabul as well captured all by Taliban. So nowadays people come back to their own countries, own hometowns, home homes. This is the good news for people. And I hope there are many more issues, and I'll share you soon. Thank you very much, dear friends. Hope you all doing well. Allah bless you all.